Hello everyone, let's do another knot here. This is the season's greetings knot. Let's get started. This is my left side over here. Tie is going to come down to the belt line as usual. Just going to come over, put in a fold, bring over the skinny end over the center, come across like this, come up and over like this here, like this. I'm going to fold it in half right here. Open up this, and then I'm going to push it through here like this, and we're going to create a loop. If I can find it. There we go. So create that loop. Have that right there so far. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this back up and over. And I'm going to do that again. Fold it in half, create another loop by pushing it down through here. So you have this, push it down through here. This knit tie is not wanting to cooperate. I have to just yank it a little bit. Kind of looks like a Christmas bell there. And then just kind of finish it off like that. There you have the season's greetings knot. On your side, my friend, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.